Ready? Because we're going to start off with happy face, surprise face, sad face, strong face. Okay, you ready? Where you from?
Texas.
What's your address?
123 Gable.
Who was the first president?
Washington.
Who's the president now?
Barack Obama.
Do you like football? What's your football team?
The Cowboys.
Oh man. What school do you go to? Fate? It starts with an F. It's Fate. What school you go to?
Fate Academy.
Yeah. What's your teacher's name?
Miss Thompson.
And who got time out this day?
Nicholas.
Nicholas got time out today?
Uh-huh.
Let's go over it again. What street do you live on? What's your address?
123 Gable.
And one more time for the listeners, where you from?
Texas.
Yes. Do you have a doggy?
Yeah.
What's your dog's name?
Joe.
What kind of dog is Joe?
A boxer.
He's a boxer. Yeah.
What's your name?
Joe, do you have what does your daddy work?
Barbershop.
What's the name of the barbershop's name?
Blue Barbershop.
Does your mom what does your mommy work?
On the computer. And what's mommy work again?
At the computer.
No, what's mommy work?
At Dow.
And what's mommy work on the other side?
At the computer.
On the exercise.
Exercise. The treadmill.
What's the troll?
Do you have a fishy?
Yeah.
What's your fish name?
Joe.
No, your fish.
I'm fishy.
Does Nana have a fish?
Uh-huh.
What's Nana's fish name?
Fishy.
And El?
L.
Is it Elmo?
I'm on the house fish.
I don't have a fish.
No, I'm on the
Oh, Nemo.
No, in Nemo it says, let's you go down. No, that's not my hand. Daddy.
Do you like pizza?
Daddy.
What color?
Daddy, this is that's not red. This is the red pack.
I know. How about let's do this. Red is what?
Red means stocking. Green stuff. No, that's not the hand. That's the bread.
Do you like candy canes?
Yeah.
Did you want candy canes this year?
Yeah. I want to watch it. Come on.
That's being a camera here and want to sing it?
Yeah, come on, Daddy.
Tell Mama to say pause the camera.
Pause the camera.
And we're going to put on candy cane.
And we can put on candy cane.